Time for spring pruning. Testing. Hey, so this right here is the Karl Forester grass, and last year I cut it all the way down by hand, pulling out every single wilted blade of grass, leaving only the ones that had started growing in. But this year I'm just going to shear it, even if I cut off the tips of the new blades, because it was way too much work, way too much crazy work that was not needed. I'm just using these because they're the only ones that I can find right now. But I'm literally just going down. It's kind of hard to cut this. I really don't want to cut off the green blades, but going for it. And this is why you need the right pruners. I'm gonna go get them. Okay, I don't have professional tools. I just use what I have. Hello! What a beautiful day. I know, it's so nice. It's perfect.
This early spring, you know, the way that we never had aging.
Yeah.
A lot of hummingbirds die over and so they'll be sitting, you can see them anytime and they're going to be starving.
Oh my
So
goodness.
I put one up right there.
Okay, most of it came off. I still have a little tiny bit of a clump here, but it just goes to show you don't really need the professional tools. Well, they probably would help, but as long as you have the motivation, which after winter hibernation, I wouldn't say I have much of, but yeah, it's a pretty quick process. There it is. Just gonna snip off the rest of it. And now you can just go through and snip off anything that didn't come off. I'm getting bombarded by some kind of, maybe a bee. Maybe they think I'm a flower with this pink. 1 or 2 inches is fine. In all seriousness, you do want the correct tool so you don't spread disease and so you can actually cut, because as you saw, the tools that weren't sharp kind of suck to use. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Maybe it's not as pretty of a job as last year. I literally took out everything that had yellowed, but it'll do the job and it's perfectly fine. So before you know it, it's going to be about 2 or 3 feet high. Karl Forester grass is putting on flowers.